Made it back, copped a few things. Best thing that I found. First thing I found was a shoe rack. I've been looking for a shoe rack for a long time. But best thing that I found, money. I'm not the kind of person who's like, I don't really rock the American flag because, I don't know, I feel like the American flag, in terms of like merch, it gives off like bad vibes. But I think anything, like when it's on Polo, it's like, okay, like this is like such a classic piece. It's just hard. A lot of people I follow wear it. I actually used to have one of these and then like it disappeared. So it's cool to have it back. And it's really cool to have the Olympic patch on there. I think that's fire. A couple other things I found. The Goodwill that I went to, I'm going to like frequent this place because it was money. It was so money. Not normally a gatekeeper, but you'll have to hang out with me if you want to go to this Goodwill because there's so much good stuff. But got some quarter zips. Green, brown. We're gonna cook something up right quick. Let's see what's up. Hey, buddy.